there, little artists, welcome back. It's Artful Auntie, and today we're going to take all the wonderful colors we explored on Tuesday and turn them into a beautiful leaf art project. Remember when we talked about primary colors? Red, yellow, and blue? Did you know by mixing them, we can create almost any color we want? From the golden yellows of autumn to the deep reds and even the purples. I can't wait to see what colors you come up with. Let's start with our basics, red, yellow, and blue. Now let's mix a little bit of red with yellow. Look at that, a bright, beautiful orange. Just like the leaves we saw in our story. We're going on a leaf hunt, but we're not stopping there. Let's mix some more. Now it's your turn. Pick a leaf, whether it's real or one we made from paper. And let's start painting. Dip your brush into your mixed color and gently brush the surface of your leaf. See how the colors blend? You can even add a little red to your orange to make it darker, or a bit of yellow to make it lighter. Don't worry if you color outside the lines. Leaves in nature aren't perfect either. And that's what makes them so beautiful. Oh, I just made a deep purple by mixing red and blue. This reminds me of the rare leaves that you see at the very top of the trees. Want to try? Go ahead, mix your colors and see what new shades you can create. Remember, there are no mistakes in art, only happy surprises. Look at this. Our leaves bursting with colors. But before we wrap up, let's hold them up and admire all of the different shades that we created today. Can you see how unique each leaf looks? I am so proud of all of our creations today. We started with just 3 colors. Red, yellow, and blue. And look at how many new colors we made together today. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to hang up your painted leaves where everyone can see them. And if you want to show me your beautiful artwork, ask your grown-ups to share a picture with me. I'd love to see it. See you next time for another colorful adventure. Until then, keep mixing, keep creating, and stay magical. Bye-bye, little artists.